Is your old garage becoming a burden? Stache Junk Removal is here to help. We specialize in garage demolition services across Central Ohio, making the process easy and stress-free. Whether you need more yard space or you're ready for a fresh start, our experienced team will safely and efficiently remove your garage, giving you a clean slate. At Stache Junk Removal, we handle everything from site evaluation to debris removal. Our licensed and insured team ensures safe demolition using specialized equipment. We prioritize careful planning to avoid any damage to nearby structures, leaving your property in perfect condition. Once the job is complete, we take care of the cleanup, recycling materials when possible. With years of experience in Central Ohio, we deliver reliable, customer-focused service for any size project. Call Stache Junk Removal today for a free estimate and start reclaiming your space.